eggs. Patience is required for caramelized onions. Let's start the timer. Move them around a little bit, get some of that oil on the other onions.
Hey! Only took 43 minutes! I'm just saying, now we get to play with our double boiler. We need the lid for later.
Butter? Hey! I have no room! Damn it! Oh! Add the cheese. We're talking American. Half a teaspoon dry mustard. Hey! Half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Quarter teaspoon of hot sauce. Quarter teaspoon of salt. One tablespoon Carnation. Thank you. Pimentos. Let's see. One. Let's go two. Oh! I don't want to overwhelm it with pimentos.
That looks good. Oh.
Let's put a line. Oh. Okay. What are we doing? Oh. What are we doing? Okay. What are we doing? Bun and our jalapeno. Ooh. I gotta take some pictures. Too much stuff. There's too much stuff. I have no room. You know what? Damn it. Oh.
I'll take a bite, but that's it. I have some nacho we might put on there. I'm taking a bite. You know, it's not bad. Very basic, but it's not bad. Huh. That surprised me. I still prefer these. We gotta take a bite. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Let's flip it over. No, can we get a thumbnail? All right, we got it. Here we go. Oh, it's yummy. You know what? I'm really glad I used American. I want to put these on, but I think we should. It comes with a jalapeno. Let's give it jalapeno. Okay? All right. These are great value buns. They're very soft. Litton's makes homemade buns. They're really soft, and these are really soft. You know, stick your finger in it. Oh yeah. Oh, I really like that. I need something to drink. I watched a video, I can't remember the name of the burger, but I believe he had Swiss cheese melting all day, like it was in these little vats of melted cheese. So he didn't melt the cheese on the burger, the cheese was already oozing. That's why I thought this would be fun. Let's take another look. I can't remember the name of the burger. Thunder Road Burger. Oh yeah. I think Litton's didn't start selling their burgers until the 60s, early, maybe 62. And they're known for these Thunder Road Burgers. I want to take a bite from the back. It's coming out the back. Oh, pink. Pink! Cheese is nice and soft. Land O'Lakes American cheese. The guy at the store looked at me funny when I said I was going to grate it. Because people don't buy blocks of American cheese to grate, you know? But a lot of old recipes, you grate your American cheese. Oh, I like that a lot. Usually when people make pimento cheese, they just kind of whisk it all together or mix it with an electric mixer in a bowl, and it's all chunky, and it melts chunky. I wanted to use my double boiler. In Google Books, I typed cheese spread double boiler. I think that's what I did. And it pulled up like two ads. One was from 28, one was from 26, and one was from 28. Very simple, just American cheese. You know, one just had paprika. I'm gonna have another bite. I want another piece of jalapeno. Oh, it's really good. Honestly, the problem with the onions is it takes like 40 minutes. I was going to go with the 1920s simple version. One was like cheese rarebit, where you put it on toast. And then I remembered Carnation has a vintage recipe where it's like a 3-minute cheese sauce that had I think it had steak sauce, but I bought steak sauce this morning for this recipe. But the tab, when I got it home, the tab was missing. The cap just come right off. I couldn't take a chance. I have to take this back tomorrow. So we used Worcestershire sauce instead. And you know, I just got a hint of pink. I'm very happy. This is a 3rd pounder, by the way. I talk more than I cook, huh? Here's a story. I wanted to do the Thunder Road Burger. Tomorrow, McDonald's Big Arch comes out. Some of the big wigs on YouTube already reviewed it. They get, I guess, a preview, you know, like the people that go to the movies and they can review the movies in advance. So I want to buy that tomorrow. If I don't buy that tomorrow, we've got to try the new Whopper. And the new Whopper really scares me. Because I like the old Whopper. And I hope they didn't take the old Whopper away for good. I hope it's just the McDonald's Big Arch. They say it's a temporary thing. Limited time. This was fun. This is delicious. I'm sure you can buy pimento cheese. Oh. I'm really glad I did American. This is so much more fun. It really is. I apologize for the burgers coming. It's Burger Week. Thanks for joining me this Thunder Road Burger Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh. Thanks for watching. Nope.